Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today we're taking a closer look at the GE 5-Speed Blender, a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your blending experience. With its impressive 1,000 watts of power and a sleek design, it's designed to handle everything from smoothies to soups. But how well does it really perform? Let's find out. The GE 5-Speed Blender is built to tackle a variety of blending tasks with its robust 1,000-watt motor. Whether you're crushing ice for frappés, pureeing frozen fruit for smoothies, or making a silky soup, this blender is marketed as a versatile solution. One of its standout features is the large 64-ounce Tritan blender jar, which allows you to blend up to 7 to 9 servings in one go. That's perfect if you're making smoothies or shakes for groups, or just want to make a big batch to store for later. In addition to the large jar, you also get 2 16-ounce blender cups for smaller batches, which is a thoughtful inclusion if you're on the go. The blender's 6 serrated blades and 2 knife edge blades are designed to break down tough ingredients like frozen fruits, seeds, and ice with ease. What's more, it boasts Vortex action, which creates a vacuum in the center of the jar for blade, helping to pull ingredients toward the blades for an even and consistent blend. This design helps ensure that you get smooth results every time, even with tricky ingredients. I had the chance to test this blender in a few different scenarios to see how it performs. First, I tried blending a batch of frozen strawberries and bananas for a smoothie. With its 1,000-watt motor and the powerful Vortex action, the blender worked through the frozen fruit effortlessly. No chunks or unblended bits, just smooth, creamy goodness. The 64-ounce jar easily accommodated the ingredients, and I was able to make enough for multiple servings without any hassle. Next, I put it to the test with ice, blending up some crushed ice for a frappé. Once again, the GE blender delivered. There were no issues with ice chunks, and the blender did a great job of creating that perfect icy consistency. While blending, it was surprisingly quiet, considering the power of the motor. It didn't vibrate or move around the countertop, which is a pleasant surprise, especially for such a powerful machine. As for the 2 included 16-ounce cups, they're a nice bonus for anyone who prefers single-serve drinks or needs something portable. I used them to make a quick smoothie to take with me, and it was convenient to go straight from blending to drinking with minimal cleanup. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the GE 5-Speed Blender is powerful and versatile. The 1,000-watt motor does an excellent job of blending a variety of ingredients, and the Vortex action ensures smooth and consistent results. The large 64-ounce jar is ideal for making multiple servings at once, and the 2 included blender cups add an extra layer of convenience. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. While the blender performs well in terms of power and consistency, it can be a bit bulky. If you have limited counter space, the large jar might take up more room than you'd like. Additionally, the noise level is not exactly quiet when running at full power, especially if you're blending tough ingredients like ice. If you're used to quieter blenders, this might be something to keep in mind. In terms of value for money, the GE 5-Speed Blender offers a solid balance of power and functionality for the price. At 1,000 watts, it's strong enough to handle most kitchen tasks with ease, and the inclusion of both a large jar and 2 blender cups makes it an appealing option for those who need flexibility in their blending routine. When compared to other blenders in a similar price range, the GE blender stands out for its Vortex action and the durable construction of its blades. However, some competing models may offer slightly quieter performance or more compact designs for those who prioritize kitchen space. When comparing this blender to others, particularly those with similar wattage, it performs well in terms of blending speed and consistency. However, some of the higher-end models with smart technology or quieter motors might outperform it in specific situations. If you're looking for something that's exceptionally quiet or compact, there are alternatives. But if you're after power and practicality, the GE blender is a solid choice. As far as build quality goes, the GE 5-Speed Blender feels sturdy and durable. The Tritan jar is made from BPA-free plastic, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. The motor feels robust and should hold up well over time, though. As always, the longevity of any product depends on how frequently it's used and maintained. In terms of construction, it seems like it can handle daily use without issue. Though, as with any appliance, it's worth keeping an eye on how it performs over the long term. While I didn't have to reach out to customer support, GE is generally known for having reliable service. Their website offers support resources if you need them, and you'll likely find helpful troubleshooting guides and manuals online if any issues arise. Finally, let's wrap things up with a verdict. The GE 5-speed blender delivers solid performance with powerful blending capabilities, making it a great option for those who frequently make smoothies, shakes, and other blended drinks. It's versatile, with both a large jar and convenient single-serve cups, and it offers smooth, consistent results across a range of ingredients. While it could be a little quieter and more compact, it provides great value for the price, especially considering the power and features it offers. If you're looking for an affordable blender that can handle a wide variety of tasks, the GE 5-speed blender is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Reviews Inside TV, and press the bell icon so you won't miss our next review. If you've tried the GE 5-speed blender or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, keep blending and stay tuned for more insights on the best kitchen essentials right here on Reviews Inside TV.